Well, good morning, everybody. Here I am once again, Bo Tipton, close to downtown Danville, Kentucky. Still out here at the house. Thought I'd set a little bit different place today. Kind of in the shadows, not as clear as what I usually am, but it's okay. The shade's worth it, better than sitting out in the sun. But anyway, got another one of the great big grandmother maples that's on the place behind me. Uh, Let me show you here. Turn this camera around, and over there is where I sat yesterday. Nope, wrong one. Right there. Furthest one. Where you see the chairs, that's where I sat. That's a magnolia tree right there outside our back door. And then there's another great old big tree over there. And so we've got a lot of beautiful old trees around here. Let me get my smiling face back on here. There we go. And there's a lot of them around here. This, again, is an old house. It was built back in the 1830s. And so these trees have been here for a long, long time. So good morning, Amy. Haven't talked to you in a coon's age. Hello, Ariel. Thank you for joining me this morning. One of these days you're going to have to come see us, Amy. You went up very far from me, just down the road. But anyway, here's what I wanted to talk about this morning. Now, on the title of the live, it says, how do you get wise? Well, it pertains to a whole lot of things that we're doing about how do you get wise. The way you get wise is by making mistakes and learning from them. That's where wisdom comes from. That's why us old folks are seen as being wise. We've had more opportunities to make mistakes than the young people have. That's the reason. But the key is to learn from your mistakes. If you make mistakes and keep making the same one over and over again, the same thing is going to happen every time. People that they say, I'm stuck. My life isn't going forward. It's not changing. Well, you're not changing. You're not changing what you're doing. So if you're stuck and don't like where your life is, then there's something in your life that you need to change. Something that you need to do different. Because doing the same thing is going to get the same results. You can wish, you can want, you can stand on your head, you can do whatever you want to. But you're still going to get the same results. So you have to change something. So wisdom comes from making mistakes and learning from them. Now, if I'm starting something new that I've never done before, it would be kind of not real smart of me to think that I'm going to know how to do it, that I know everything there is about it. Now, I could do it, and I've done it. Started doing it, thinking I know it, and made a whole lot of mistakes and finally figured it out. You can do that. But the best way to do it is to go find somebody that's already doing what you want to do. That's already living what you want to live. And ask them how to do it. Somebody that's already made the mistakes and got the wisdom from it. Seems like a pretty smart thing to me to do. Make things a whole lot quicker. So that's just something to think about. What is it you want to do in your life? What is it you want to change? Well, find out what it is you need to change, or go ask somebody to help you figure out what it is you need to change. And then find somebody that's already made that change and gone through the trial and error, and ask them how to do it. So anyway, just going to make this real short and sweet. Just sitting out here under this big old maple tree, 15 degrees cooler than what it is out there in the sun. One of the nice things about living here is having these big old trees. All of you that joined me, Michael and Amy and John, and Amy and John are old friends, except John, we know him as Coyote. John and Amy are old friends talking on here. Good to see them talking to each other again. And all of you that came and watched this, or watch it with the replay, you have a wonderful day today. Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's a good day. It's a day to make changes. Got a whole week ahead of you to work with the changes. To do what you want to change in your life, and then get busy doing it. Find out how to do it. Now, you know that I am in business, in network marketing business. Got a whole bunch of real good people working with me, and it is going good. Watch my grandkids over there on the porch playing. A whole lot of good people working with me. And if you want to get with a bunch of good people that can help you change your life, especially your financial life, but not only that, but your mindset, you let me know. Get a hold of me, and we'll talk about it. You're welcome to come and join us. But I do have a wonderful group of people called the GRZ team that I'm working with, and you will come be part of it. Come see us. To all of you that's joined us, thank you for joining me. And I say us because, here, I'll do it right here. Of course, the director. Where's my director? He's over there somewhere. Oh, there he is. The director had to be down here helping me out. He had to be out here, so the director was out here with me, so I didn't mess up too bad. And so we have been sitting here, spending a little bit of time with you. Glad to do that. All of you that joined me, James and Chris and all the others that are here, thank you for watching. And we will talk again tomorrow. Y'all have yourself a great day.